Handy Hudsonite here. Do you have your earpiece volume not working or it has low volume? The earpiece speaker is right up here at the top of the iPhone. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's the same for an older phone. Here's an iPhone 8 Plus that I have. The earphone speaker can be easy to fix, and I've got 10 different easy fixes, so make sure to watch the entire video so that you can catch the right fix for you. The first fix involves the volume button for the earpiece. That does not involve the volume when you are not in a call, when you're just on your phone. This volume is different, and sometimes there'll be a little speaker symbol like that shows up that indicates that it's the speakers that play music or video. If we want to do it during a call, we have to make the phone call. Then we can adjust the speaker volume. You notice that quickly a phone symbol came up. So if you're not hearing any volume or very low volume, what you can do is toggle the speaker part. And if it's coming out of here, then you know that you're still getting sound properly through the phone call. It's just not working through the earpiece. So that's one way to kind of dial in on if it is the actual earpiece volume that's having the issue. The second easy fix is to simply restart the phone. Now, if you have a newer phone, like an iPhone 10 or 11 on up, then all you have to do is press the down button and the toggle screen button over here at the same time. Hold them, and then you'll see this screen come up, and you can slide that off to restart your phone, and it will go blank, and then all you have to do is press this toggle screen button again to restart it. Restarting your phone can take care of a lot of issues, and so that could bring your sound back. Let me know in the comments below if that fix worked for you, and if these other fixes that I'm going to go into are going to work for you. Please let me know. Also, give this video a like if you're enjoying it. Subscribe to my channel for more tips like this one. So the third easy fix involves the Bluetooth. Now, your phone could be connected to a Bluetooth device, or if you're in your car, it could be connected to your car's Bluetooth device. That's happened to me, and that's why the sound isn't coming out of the phone. And you're wondering, why can't I hear the other person? So let's turn off the Bluetooth by going to Settings, come here to Bluetooth, and then just toggle this button there so the green goes away and your Bluetooth devices will disappear. Your Bluetooth is now off, and your phone shouldn't connect to any external Bluetooth devices and allow you to hear out of the earpiece. To take this a step further, we're going to go into adjusting what's called the audio routing, and this will tell the phone to not even pay attention to Bluetooth, but to only use the speaker. And to get into there, we're going to go into Settings. We're going to go to Accessibility, and then come to Touch, scroll down and go into Call Audio Routing. And you notice mine's already there. By default, it's going to be on automatic, but just switch it to speaker. Then your phone will not use Bluetooth audio to make calls. The fourth easy fix involves a hard restart of the phone. We did what I would call a soft restart by pressing the toggle screen button and the down volume button. To do the force restart, all we have to do is quickly do the volume up button, then volume down, and then hold the side button. It'll go to this page, but if I kept holding the toggle screen button, the screen would go blank, and then you would see the Apple logo. Let go of the toggle screen button, your phone will completely restart, and it will clear out a lot of the memory and the data that's been in there that can tend to cause the phone to not function properly. The sixth easy fix is to turn on the hearing aid compatibility. It sounds a bit counterintuitive, but this can help with this issue. So we want to go into Settings. We want to go down into Accessibility, but this time we want to scroll further down and go into Hearing Devices, tap into there, and then here the second one is Hearing Aid Compatibility. And this may bring back your earpiece sound. Let me know in the comments if it did. The next fixes are going to involve some inspecting and cleaning of the physical components of the phone. The first one is to check the lightning port. The lightning port is the charging port in the iPhone, the one in the center there. And you want to check this, of course, to make sure that there's no headset plugged into it. Of course, it's obvious, but there could be something lodged in there that could enable the phone to think that it's got a headset plugged in. But that is a rare condition. Let me know in the comments below if that happened to you. So what we want to do, just to do due diligence, is we want to clean out this port. And you got to be careful with this, as you don't want to damage the connection there. And I have a cleaning kit that I'll put down in the description if you want to look at it on Amazon, that has some devices, some tools I should say, that can make this cleaning a little bit easier. Here's like a very narrow Q-tip type device, and you can go in here and just try to clean it out, get out anything that might be lodged in there. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, but this is now pretty, it's got a little bit of dirt on it. You could also use a toothpick in here, but just do it gently to dislodge anything. I've actually used a paper clip as well, but you have to be very careful to when you go in there, because there can be a lot of lint from your pocket that builds up in there and can affect even charging as well. The eighth fix involves cleaning the ear speaker itself. Now the ear speaker is up here, and it's a very narrow slit. My ear speaker on my iPhone 13 Pro Max is very clean. I haven't had this phone very long, but I'll show you the ear speaker on my 8 Plus. It's got a lot of lint and some debris in there, so we're going to go ahead and clean that. Again, we can use this tool that comes in the cleaning kit, and what we could even do is you can try to clean this out with this dry. That can get out a lot of the debris that is affecting the phone. But if you really want to clean this well, what I'd recommend is turning off the phone and then using a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Just apply a drop or two to this tool, or even to a regular Q-tip. But make sure the phone is off when you do this, as you don't want to have your electronics on when you're cleaning. Even though it is rubbing alcohol, it will evaporate quickly. And just go through and clean out this earpiece mesh there, and that may be enough to clean out and give you the sound back. The ninth easy fix involves the covering on your iPhone. You want to make sure that the case or even the scratch shield that you have on isn't covering the earpiece. Sometimes if you don't get those on right, they can impede the sound. Now I have mine on and I'm not having any issues with it. As you can see, my scratch shield is not covering my earpiece, which is right there. But you want to inspect that and make sure that there's nothing in the way that could block the sound. The 10th easy fix is one that's kind of a last resort, and it's one where you can reset all of the settings. Go into settings, then go to general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, and you'll be met with this screen. And what you want to do is click reset. You don't want to click reset all content and settings. That's going to erase everything on your phone. Now that could be one last resort, final resort. I don't recommend it, but let's go into just reset, and you're going to get a whole lot of options. And what we want to do is the reset all settings, and then you would put in your passcode, and then it's going to reboot your phone and clear out your settings, and that could be enough to clear out the problem with the earpiece not working. So let me know if that worked for you in the comments below. Appreciate you watching this. I'll see you in the next video.